Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach how to install the Java application in your machine. So you go to the Google and type JDK download. Click on the first link. Here this is the latest versions. Now I am going to, instead of downloading this one, I am going to go to download my previous version. Okay, so the previous version you can go over here, select the Java 7. This should be the standable versions. Okay, so that I am going to go to the Windows, select this one. Okay, for the I'm going to select as a B. Click on this one. Here you have to click receive, accept your license, click and download. It asks to log in. Okay, so you have to log in. So sign in the account. Okay, you have to create the account of the oracle.com and you have to download it. Okay, so that you have to create the account and download it. Okay, if you don't have account, you click on create and download it. Okay, so click on new account. You have to fill the form and create the account and download it. After give you all the details and fill that form, you have to that link should be sent to your respective mail, and here this is the links. You click on it again. You can click and verify that one. Now it's verifying. Then only you will be able to download the JDK. Okay, let's continue. Now you are verified. Now after that, again you have to come to this window. If it is not coming to your window, you have remove it. Okay, you close the browser. You again go to the JDK downloads section and bring to the application Java downloads, and you are coming here. You can get this one. Now you can select this one as a Windows. If you are a Windows user, you go along with Windows. Mac user, go along with the Mac option. Linux, you go along with the Linux option. Click on the bin. Okay, now you can select the method. It has some email. So I have to again you have to send the email code to my respective email. The OTP is coming. This OTP, just copy this. Yeah, give some verify the email. Continue. Okay, that's it. Now your software is downloaded. For the security purpose, they are implemented that one. Okay, so don't worry. Now it is downloading. Keep wait until the download completed. Now I'm going to go to download completed. Click on it. Select this one. Extract file. Click this one. This is Java 70 as downloaded successfully. I extracted successfully. Double click on it. Click on it. This is your this is your Java zip. You can see here. Okay, the bin, everything's are there. Here's a bin file. The lib. Bin. Okay, everything's are there. So now what you are going to do is here, the zip file, I'm going to put into my C programming files. I'm going to put it here. Okay, the simple steps. Okay, I done the stuff. Okay, this one I'm going to set it. This bin file all things, copy this path, bin path, and just copy it. I'm going to set it to my system. So how to set the system? So I'm going to go to first you have to set the system, then only it works. Select this PC, right click, properties. Now you select advanced system setting. Environment variable. Here path, new, select path. The path is there. You don't no need to create. If it is not, you have to create the path. Click on it, edit. You have to edit the new, paste on it the path bin. Okay, so you have to go and right type it, click it, click it, click it. Now let's check it. Run Java C. If it is not there, you have to write it again. Go to here, advanced setting, environment variable, your system variable. So you have set it, the path, paste it. Okay, edit. What happened? You have to remove that one. Okay, let's okay. Let's again open it. Java C. Now it's okay. Okay, now here it's okay. This how we have set the path. Okay, very simply we have set the path like this. Okay, now your Java programming is working fine. Okay, now this how we have installed the Java, and you have to set the path. Thank you for watching.